Elon Musk and Tesla. Why Bitcoin and crypto pumping up? Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, reiterated his support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin at the online B-Word conference on Wednesday, saying he would personally lose money if the cryptos lost value, and that Tesla will resume accepting Bitcoin payments if it is produced with a higher percentage of renewable energy. So what is the sudden hype surrounding Bitcoin and crypto in general, following the prolonged recession in the market? Keep watching it to find out. Outside of SpaceX and Tesla, the three things I own by far are Bitcoin, some Ethereum, and some Dogecoin, Musk said at the B-Word online forum. I will lose money if the price of Bitcoin falls. Musk spoke with Square CEO Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood, Chief Investment Officer and founder of ARK Investment, over the internet. Musk has been chastised for whipsawing the crypto market and tweeting support for Bitcoin and Doge before raising concerns about the environmental impact of crypto mining. However, he stated that he has been holding on to his crypto assets. I may pump, but I don't dump, Musk explained. I don't believe in driving up the price and then selling, and I'd like to see Bitcoin succeed. Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin payments after Musk expressed concerns about the massive energy production required to mine the cryptocurrency, produced in China from coal-fired plants. However, China has effectively banned cryptocurrency mining, and the computer network is shifting to the United States and other regions. The network's shift may increase the amount of Bitcoin produced from renewable sources. Musk has stated that Tesla will resume accepting Bitcoin payments if this trend continues. We want to do a little more due diligence to confirm that the percentage of renewable energy usage is most likely at or above 50% and that there is a trend toward increasing that number. Musk said if that is the case, Tesla will resume accepting Bitcoin. Dorsey stated that if Bitcoin had existed before Twitter, which he co-founded, the entire social media ad model would not have existed. If Bitcoin existed before YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook, plus 1.86%, many of the business models today would not exist. Wood, for her part, reiterated her belief that Bitcoin will serve as a hedge against inflation, particularly in countries with hyperinflation and the potential for confiscation of private wealth. People in those countries will migrate to Bitcoin and other methods of preserving purchasing power. She also expressed concern about deflationary forces which Bitcoin could help mitigate. Musk stated that one of the reasons Tesla keeps Bitcoin on its balance sheet is that global interest rates are near zero and have even gone negative in Europe. Musk added that Tesla's bank balances in Europe have negative interest rates. Seeing your bank balance drop in Europe is quite annoying, he said. This is crazy. Musk has also had a few things to say about Dogecoin as well. Musk did not leave out support for Dogecoin, as he has done in the past. Doge is somewhat irreverent and has great memes, he said, noting that the character doesn't take itself too seriously, while Occam's razor states that the simplest outcome is the most likely. Musk added that the most ironic and entertaining outcomes are also possible. If that's true, then the crypto that started as a joke ends up being the most ironic and entertaining outcome. His hope for Bitcoin is that it will improve money's core efficiency, he added. This will result in a higher standard of living and more power for individuals, which I strongly support. In April of this year, Dogecoin saw a more than 500% price increase, thanks to Musk's attention, making Dogecoin a household name, at least among crypto investors. Belford cited Dogecoin as an example of a cryptocurrency that Musk was probably inadvertently being used to pump and dump. Critics accused Musk of market manipulation due to his praise and criticism of Bitcoin and his unwavering support for Dogecoin, which began as a joke but has since gained enormous popularity. This is not true. Musk responded to a Cointelegraph article highlighting comments made by Magda Wierzewska, CEO of financial services firm Signia. She criticized Musk for Bitcoin's price manipulation. Investors and traders expect Musk, Dorsey, and Wood to ban cryptos. Bitcoin was recently trading around $31,670, up 6.4% in the previous 24 hours, and above its recent lows of around $29,000. Ethereum was up 8.9%. to $1,945, while Dogecoin was up nearly 10% to $0.18755. Musk announced Tesla's Bitcoin investment on Twitter, then pumped up the Bitcoin price by tweeting about it on social media, and then sold at the peak. According to Rziska, an anti-corruption activist who made the comments in a podcast released Wednesday, Tesla only sold 10% of holdings to confirm Bitcoin could be easily liquidated without moving the market. Musk added, referring to Tesla's first quarter Bitcoin sale, which netted $272 million after several tweets praising the cryptocurrency. Musk also stated that the company will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions once it is confirmed that miners are using roughly 50% clean energy with a positive future trend. Musk and fellow billionaire Michael Saylor, CEO of business analytics firm MicroStrategy, announced late last month that they had met with some of the country's largest Bitcoin miners and would spearhead an effort to promote energy usage transparency and accelerate sustainability initiatives worldwide. The group's specific goals have yet to be announced, and participants collectively control less than 10% of the Bitcoin network's global computing power. Still, the effort drew criticism from the industry almost immediately for attempting to centralize the cryptocurrency, which was intentionally designed to decentralize finance. The volatility we've seen in Bitcoin is an unexpected function of what I would call Elon Musk's market manipulation. And if that happened to a listed company, he would be investigated and severely sanctioned by the SEC. Rziska said Wednesday, likely referring to the fact that the SEC only has regulatory authority over securities, not currencies. Market manipulation is defined by the SEC as intentional or willful conduct designed to deceive or defraud investors by controlling or artificially affecting the price of securities. Bitcoin soared in February after Tesla announced a $1.5 billion investment in the world's largest cryptocurrency. Still, prices had fallen since April, when Tesla disclosed that it sold off a portion of its stake in a regulatory filing. Musk, who applauded the crypto market during its massive rally earlier this year, contributed to the crash last month by tweeting that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin due to its high environmental cost. In just hours, this single development wiped out more than $300 billion in crypto market value. Since then, markets have failed to recover due to an intensifying regulatory crackdown in China. As a result, the value of the world's cryptocurrencies, which stood at about $1.6 trillion on Sunday, is only 60% of what it was a month ago. Despite Bitcoin's steep drop since last month, two of the cryptocurrency's most prominent corporate backers increased their Bitcoin investments last week. MicroStrategy, which owns more Bitcoin than any other corporation, announced last week that it would raise $500 million in debt to buy more Bitcoin. On the same day, it warned that it would suffer a second quarter loss of at least $285 million as the value of its Bitcoin holdings plummeted. During the cryptocurrency-themed discussion, he stated that Tesla and SpaceX own Bitcoin. The Crypto Council for Innovation bills itself as a global alliance of crypto industry leaders. According to CoinDesk data, the price of Ethereum surpassed $2,000 following the billionaire's announcement on Tuesday. Likewise, following Musk's remarks, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ripple, Cardano, and most other cryptocurrencies rose on Tuesday. However, during Wednesday's conference, Musk stated that Tesla would most likely resume accepting Bitcoin payments once it investigates the amount of renewable energy used to mine the digital currency, according to Reuters. In May, the China Banking Association issued a warning to its members about the risks associated with digital currencies. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies plummeted that month, with the largest market value of the group falling to $30,000, down from its all-time high of $64,000 earlier this year. Bitcoin was trading at around $32,400 on Thursday afternoon, after falling below the $30,000 mark for the first time in a month 2 days earlier. On Thursday, Belfort told host Stuart Varney that he is a cryptocurrency investor who is in it for the long haul. He mentioned that some of his holdings include Bitcoin and Ethereum. He also stated that he would never invest more than I could afford to lose. Belfort stated that he hopes the Bitcoin price falls further because he would buy more if it fell further. I'm a long-term investor, so I don't care if it goes up or down in the short term, he told Varney. I'd love to see it go back to 5,000 BTC and buy a ton of it there, and that would be fantastic. Let us know what you think of the future of crypto in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you never miss out on our future uploads.